Hello everyone, this is my 172 scale PBY Catalina 4 made by Academy. I just finished this water diorama, my first water diorama. I want to try a few things different to make a complete scene. As you see here, I got a shark fin coming up there, another shark fin popping up there, and then I stole the scene from Jaws. We got one popping up his ugly head back here. It's a mako shark. That's what these are, mako sharks. And he's coming up out of the water. And this gentleman here is watching out. He's fixing to jump on that 50 and take care of him. You got one pilot that was rescued, and he's waiting on his buddy to come back on the life preserver there. I used actually an O-ring from an air conditioning system to make the donut ring preserver. Yeah, they were pilots of this SPD Dauntlin that's slowly sinking in the background. I like the water dioramas. They really are kind of cool. This basically is a base I've got at Hobby Lobby, and I took a piece of 1/2-inch foam board and had it cut and glued it in there. And then the waves here, the texture, that is actually aluminum foil that I glued down because it's all different. I used a couple different shades of blue, Payne's gray, and some green. And then I used the water foam. This is what I used to give it that shiny look, is AK Water Gel Pacific Blue Acrylic. It's pretty good stuff. And then the water foam I used to accent where the air bubbles would make waves, or I mean not waves, but the foam part. I used it around the sinking Dauntless, and up under where the PBY is floating and, you know, dipping back and forth, causing waves. Like I said, when the shark popped up, he caused a little disturbance in the water. Kind of mixed it in here with the foam and then the blue over it, not to give it too overlooking of the foam. Like I said, I think it come out okay for my first water diorama. Hope y'all like it. And I do love Academy kits. I do like the fact that the, focus here, the rivet detail on these models are awesome. I did take a scraping knife and opened the panel lines up just a little bit. I think maybe I opened it up a little bit too far, but I did some shading effects. I do like the engines that they came with this kit. I used Maxi Mask for the canopy. Masked it off and painted it so it all looks natural, blending together. Other than that, like I said, it's not a bad little model kit. Got it on eBay, and I got another one over here I'm going to build and do something different with it. They're very limited on finding crew members in 172 scale, so I'm going to have to try to use these same guys, make another PBY like it's going into the water from the beach. The crews are walking around. There's Mr. Jaws again. So, hope y'all like it. I did my best, and thank you much.